And here you can see my number one recommendation for WordPress web hosting is Bluehost. So if we click the Get Started button from our website, you will get a discount around 60%. So why Bluehost? In my opinion, Bluehost is the best web hosting provider. I am a web developer. I tried so many other web hosting companies. I don't want to mention their name, but I personally ended up using Bluehost. Hundreds of my clients using Bluehost and they never complain about using it. If you see my Bluehost account, I have hosted here tons of websites and I never get a downtime. Their customer support is really amazing in case if you need any help. And that's why I always recommend Bluehost. And their price is really affordable for everyone. So now click on Get Started. You can see their pricing. So you have different options based on what you need. If it's your first website and you only want to host one website, then you can take their basic plan. And if you have multiple websites, more than one, you can pick their plus or choice plus options. Though both options are almost same, choice plus has some domain privacy and site backup features, but we don't necessarily need that. And you can take their pro plan if you are planning to host a big e-commerce website or if you have millions of visitors already. As a beginner, let's start with the basic plan. It will cost you only $2.95 per month and we will get one website, 15 GB of SSD storage, unmetered bandwidth, free SSL certificate, standard performance, one included, 5 parked and 25 subdomains. So in that price, these are awesome. But in future, if you have multiple websites, you can upgrade it to their plus plan. So basically, you can upgrade or downgrade your plan anytime. Now let's click on select. Now we will select our domain name, and if you have a domain name already, you can enter your existing domain name here and you can set up that. I'm assuming you don't have a domain name already, so let's select our domain name. On the right side, you see there are options .com, .online, .site or .info. I always suggest to take .com websites because it's good for search engine optimization, and also .com website look more professional and legit. Now let's say we want to take apple.com, so type apple and click on next. It says unable to continue, the domain apple.com cannot be used on Bluehost, please try a different name. Because we all know apple.com is Apple's official website, we can take that. So you can put your name here or your business name or your brand name here. So for the sake of this tutorial, let's try for something like we will be create our website through Elementor page builder. So let's try something like our elementor.com and click next. The domain our elementor.com is available. Awesome. Now here you need to put your account information, your first name, last name, business name, country, street address, city, state, zip code, phone number, email address, and this email address is really important, so make sure you are putting your best email address because after completing purchase, a receipt will send to that email address. So now I'm putting my information here, my first name Jim, last name Fahad, my business name Jim Fahad Digital. I'm selecting my country. Here I'm from Bangladesh. My street address, city, my postal code here, my phone number, and here is my email address, elementor@jimfahaddigital.com. Now here is the package information. By default it's selected for 36 months, that means for 3 years. If you now see, the price is $249, but let's see how we can reduce the price. We only take the necessary things. For starting, you can take it for 1 year. It would cost you $4.95 per month. That is still pretty cheap. So let's select 12 months price. Now go to package extras. You can select or deselect domain privacy. Having domain privacy is good, so no one can get to know who is the owner of the website, but I'm deselecting it because I want to be transparent and it's not that important to me at this moment. Turn it off. And I don't need SiteLock security and CodeGuard basic either, so I'm deselecting those as well. You see, the price is now $59 only for the full year. That's awesome. Now here's the payment information. I'm putting my MasterCard number here, my CVV code and expiration date. Now select this. So you are agreed with their terms and policy. And when you complete purchasing through my link, you see you are getting a huge discount and I will also get a commission. So nothing extra, that's a win-win situation. Thank you for that because it supports this channel and helps me to make more valuable videos like this for you. So now click on submit. It says your purchase was a success. We sent a confirmation email to elementor@jimfahaddigital.com. So I'm waiting for their confirmation email. And here's the receipt, so they will send it also on my email and you will also get that on your email. So let's create account. Now let's create our Bluehost account from here. Our domain name we already have selected, our elementor.com. Now create password. Now I am here putting my password and retype the password here again. Now click I have read and agree to Bluehost privacy policy and terms service. Let's click create account. Your account is ready to go. Now you can log in. So click on go to login and you see I get already email from Bluehost to confirm my purchase. Let's now check our email and confirm our purchase. So here we get already 3 email from Bluehost. First email is for confirming our account. So let's just click on verify your email. So our account is now verified. Let's close this. And here is our Bluehost login area. Here login to your account. Hosting login, yes. Domain name, our elementor.com and password. Let's put the password. Is the password we chose a few times ago, so let's click on login. For now, just click on I'm not creating a website because I will walk you through everything how you can do that by yourself. So just skip this all. Here, get started. We don't need anything. Turn off domain privacy protection. I don't want privacy because we don't need that for now. So we have successfully completed purchasing our domain and hosting. Now let's install WordPress on our website. And for any reason, if you logged out, then log in again. So from Bluehost login panel, put your domain name and password and then click login. Then you can see your Bluehost admin panel like this. From left, go to sites. And now we will install WordPress into our website. So now let's click on create site or here create a WordPress site. I'm clicking here create site. Now site name, here I'm putting Jim Fahad production. Site tagline, you deserve to be seen. And don't worry, you can change these informations anytime from your WordPress dashboard. Now click on advanced. You can put your email address here. So mine is elementor@jimfahaddigital.com and put a username. I'm putting Jim Fahad and then set a password. Now click on next. Now they are asking why we want to install our WordPress. So here is our domain, and we only have one domain here, and here is the directory. We want to install it, our root directory, so people can see our website on our elementor.com. So we will keep the directory blank, and they are suggesting some free plugins here. We don't need that. Just deselect this all and hit next. Awesome. So you see WordPress installed successfully. So we have successfully installed WordPress within less than a minute. That's another reason I love Bluehost most, because I have used some other web hosting provider and they took sometimes 2 hours to 48 hours to install your website, but in Bluehost you can see the result immediately. That's really amazing. So you can see it's our website name here, so the whole world can see now our website through this link, and this is our admin panel, our dashboard link. So only we can access that using this username and password that we have created a few seconds ago. So you can now click here, log into WordPress from a new tab. Awesome. So this is our dashboard, this is our WordPress dashboard, and from left top if you click on visit site, this is our website, so the whole world can see it now. We have done nothing with it, so this is how it is looking now. From here we will make it to an awesome website together. And how you can go back to the dashboard from left, here click on dashboard and you can see the dashboard. I will walk you through all of this, so don't worry about anything. We will build our